Choga kulwa hip hop. Guys,
vibes ikatero chakarova leborino inspire magero ukuyembe dzacho zinenge dziri dzemupero
inspire magero. Did you get that? Inspire magero. Hey, this channel is full of nothing.
Good vibes, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano, and today I'm here with
KC.
Right, so guys, as you can see by the title, guys, I know so many people have been waiting for this, guys.
Yes, sir.
AY Poyoo.
We've been waiting.
Featuring Choga. Or is it the other way? Is it Choga featuring AY Poyoo? Bro, we already know this is gonna be heat. It's gonna be fire, but in this round, I don't know who's gonna who's gonna finish the other one off, bruh.
But me, for real, me, I think
Vanchoga. I'll go by the
it's kind of
man.
Yeah.
It's the good. This is the good, bro. This is the good. If you didn't watch my video, guys, I did the AY Poyoo versus Vanchoga. Guys, I predicted this, guys. Come on. People are sleeping on me, guys.
People are sleeping, hey.
We predicted this shit, bro. Hey, please, guys, please like, share, subscribe, share to at least 5 friends.
Sir.
5 friends, right? So, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes, sir. I'm the good, man. I'm the good, man. Choga the teach cook. Choga the teach cook. Guys, come on. Alright. Hey, wait, what is this? So it's Vanchoga featuring AY Poyoo,
produced by Mars.
Ghetto rules.
Okay, let's hear the rules, eh?
Come on, let's go.
Mas ndinobviro taure chokwadi iwe it's a Vanchoga never komana vekwamdzviti Choga, this be AY Poyoo man chale chakido
Okay. The goat. This will be AY Poyoo man. Okay. I will see.
Mas ndinobviro taure chokwadi iwe it's a Vanchoga never komana vekwamdzviti Choga, this be AY Poyoo man chale chakido hot water and Milo guna here we go Choga, this be AY Poyoo man chale chakido hot water and Milo guna here we go color blue ghetto in a Ghana
Wait, color blue. I mean, would hear the beat like Kapita voice. Kapita, that's what we're guys. Come on.
chale chakido hot water and Milo guna here we go color blue ghetto in a Ghana Zimbare Copacabana ukanditaga unoni
Yes, sir. Represent.
guna here we go color blue ghetto in a Ghana Zimbare Copacabana ukanditaga unondiwana aiya ghetto life wana Ghana ghetto we have a rules Mori Coco go make you boost from color yellow to the color blue
Wait. And some color yellow to the color blue. Like the yellow for Ghana, then the blue. Like I don't know. I didn't. Bruh. Say like. Wait. What? Mira, guys. Vanchoga kulwa hip hop. Guys, come on.
Some bars.
The bars.
Yeah, get your life one. Ghana Ghetto, we have a rules. Mori Coco go make you boost from color yellow to the color blue. isere mugeto peka yembe dzempero toenda pasa jamba vibes ikatero takarova leborino inspire magero uku yembe dzacho dzinenge dziri dzemupero
Did you get that?
topfeka hembe dzempero toenda pasa jamba vibes ikatero takarova leborino inspire magero uku hembe dzacho dzinenge dziri dzemupero kauya geto rangu mbari chitungwiza ruwa ukada kuita dzungu uchida kuita makuwa tokudaidzira mudhara kunshora ogara newe dhaza achikutsura-tsura kala blue ghetto inagana zimbare Copacabana ukanditsvaga unondiwana aiya ghetto life wana
Ghana ghetto, we have a rules. Marikoko, go make you boost. From color yellow to the color blue. Shupelu.
Come on.
Anzi from Copacabana Ndwana. Yes sir.
Ghetto, we have a rules. Marikoko, go make you boost. From color yellow to the color blue. Shupelu. Bring it down. Bring the vibe. Poyoo be the good.
Hold on. Did you hear the switch?
Yes.
Switch up a beat, bro.
Yes.
Come on.
Man.
From color yellow to the color blue. Shupelu. Bring it down. Bring the vibe. Poyoo be the goat, you know be my type. From my hood, there are rules. Abidjan, yes, I the rule. When I get to life, challenge not be easy. That be why we know they play. Van Choga, why Poyoo. This be international collabo. Ghana Ghetto, we have a rules. Marikoko, go make you boost. From color yellow to the color blue. Shupelu.
kala blue ghetto inagana zimbare Copacabana without the art you never rise inna the ghetto you never rise ghetto peka hembe dzempero toenda pasa jamba vibes ikatero takarova leborino inspire magero uku hembe dzacho dzinenge dziri dzemupero kauya ghetto rangu mbari chitungwiza ruwa ukada kuita dzungu uchida kuita makuwa tokudaidzira mudhara kunshora ogara newe dhaza achikutsura-tsura
Ghana Ghetto, we have a rules. Marikoko, go make you boost. From color yellow to the color blue. Shupelu. Ghana Ghetto, we have a rules. Marikoko, go make you boost. From color yellow to the color blue. Shupelu. Zimbabwe. Ghana. Choga. White Poyoo. Man, watch out.
never put my name kwa msiti skidi danda kindaga white Poyoo.
Come on. Shout out to Moz. Moz, shout out to you, bro.
Yes sir.
Bro, that was heat, bro.
That was it.
Moz with the beat.
With the beat, I shout out to Maz. Huh?
Ghetto rules. Yeah, it's Van Choga featuring AY Poyoo.
Poyoo. Bandana killer. But it's a cool.
Now come on, we come GT. Come on. Zimbabwe, Copacabana.
AY
Poyoo. Hey, shout out to all the Poyoorians.
Yes, sir.
Everyone from Zim, everyone from Ghana, please comment down below. Let us know who you think who you think had the best verse.
For real.
And please, if you're from Ghana, please help us translate in the comment section. Help those who are gonna view this from Zim. We don't know what he was saying exactly,
yeah.
but then you can help us understand the song, hear the bars, you know. But Van Choga, boss. Van Choga with the bars.
With the bars,
Van Choga with the bars.
Don't sleep.
Don't sleep on Van Choga, guys. Van Choga with the hip hop, guys.
Hey, but ipo barusila mabaya.
Van Choga with the hip hop. Come on, Van Choga. Shout out to Van Choga.
Shout out to Van Choga. This collab is dope.
The collab is dope. Representing Zim, representing Ghana.
But
all around the world.
Poyoo was saying international collab.
International collab.
Yes.
Man. I want to see the video.
Yeah, the video.
The goat. That would be dope. So shout out to these two, Ghetto Rules Van Choga featuring AY Poyoo. If you haven't listened to that, guys, go check out the original official audio.
Yes, sir.
I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, I think that's it for the reaction.
Color yellow to color blue.
From color yellow to color blue. But hey, color yellow to color blue, are they saying the...
I don't know.
Please.
I think so.
Huh?
I think so.
Is it the artwork? Is it one? Is there a different meaning to it?
I think.
Please let us know. Alright guys, so that's the end of the reaction video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you're gonna share with your friends.
Yes, sir.
Share with at least 5 friends, guys. 5 friends, just 5 friends, guys. Make someone's day today. Make someone smile, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
And those from Ghana should comment down below.
If you're from Ghana, comment down below. If you're from Zim, comment down below. Put your flags in. Want to see as many people commenting as possible. Hey, this channel is full of nothing.
That's it for the video.
This channel is full of good vibes and good energy, guys.
Yes,
nothing but good vibes. And yeah, share with your friends, share with your loved ones.
Yes, sir.
And that's it for the video. It's your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't live what they say, get to me. 2 sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be, yeah.